Hi YouTube family. Today I have a special thing for you. You as my family, my fellow subscribers, my fellow watchers, my supporters. You guys are my YouTube family. So in honor of my fellow subscribers, at 100, I want to give away a CR28 little scale truck. It's ready to run. It's got everything in it. It's 2-wheel drive. And I just, from the bottom of my heart, I want to thank you guys for supporting me. And I know this became a little hobby of mine, but I really enjoy it. And I think I'm going to pursue it a little bit deeper. And without you guys, I wouldn't be nothing. So thank you again. And here's the truck I'll be raffling off. It's a cool little pint-sized truck. It's 2-wheel drive. It's got a built-in charger in it, one-hand controller. See that? Forward, backward. So yeah, it is awesome. Everything you need is in it, ready to run. Hopefully I'll have some footage of me running it around some cones, but this is a good inside little trail truck to just get started. You know, everything's in it. It's really tiny. You can make a track and you can just get busy anywhere in the house. You could use it outside as well, but mostly this thing is great for indoors. So there you have it. For you guys, my fellow subscribers, for watching, 100 subscribers, and you guys will all be in the raffle to get this trail truck. So thank you for subscribing, thank you for watching, and as always, do good deed for someone you don't know, and don't forget RC, baby.